Welcome! In today's guide, we'll show you how to send stickers using shortcuts on WhatsApp Web with the latest update. This simple method will make your chats more fun and expressive. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web page in your browser and scanning the QR code using your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your chats and features. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send a sticker. Simply click on the conversation from your chat list to open it. Make sure the chat window is active before proceeding to the next step. Now comes the exciting part. On your keyboard, press Ctrl Plus Alt Plus S simultaneously. This shortcut will instantly open the sticker panel within WhatsApp Web. No need to click around. This handy shortcut saves time and keeps things efficient. Once the sticker panel is open, browse through your collection of stickers. Use your mouse or arrow keys to navigate through the options. When you find the perfect sticker to express yourself, simply click on it, and it will be sent instantly to the chat. And that's it. You've successfully sent a sticker using shortcuts on WhatsApp Web. This feature is a great way to add personality and fun to your conversations without breaking your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others who might enjoy learning this quick trick. Keep exploring WhatsApp Web for more features that make communication easier and more enjoyable.